So today we'll be showing you how to make lumpia. Lumpia is a popular recipe amongst many Filipinos. Because of this, there are many different ways to cook lumpia. So for today, we're doing a simplified recipe comprised of the following: 3 stalks of green onions, garlic, 2 eggs, ground pork of any kind, lumpia wrappers, oil of any kind, sweet chili sauce, and any kind of salt. As far as utensils go, you'll be needing a knife, a fork, tongs, a mixing bowl, a pan, and a cutting board. So next you'll want to start by prepping your ingredients. So first we'll start by dicing up our green onions. Next you want to start by dicing up your 3 cloves of garlic. Next you'll want to set these aside into a small container. Take an egg and proceed to place it into the bowl. Take your second egg and crack it. We'll be using this as an egg wash to seal the lumpia wrapper later. Finally, you'll want to start by putting in your half a pound of ground pork into the bowl, your green onions and garlic into the bowl, and the egg into the bowl. And next, you'll want to thoroughly mix everything together with your hands. Now at this point, you'll want to eyeball half a tablespoon of salt into the mixture, and then proceed to continue to mix. Alright, so now we're going to start wrapping the lumpia mixture into the lumpia wrapping. So you want to take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and place it onto the lumpia wrapping. After that, you'll want to form it into a line of some sort and begin to roll. You want to roll about halfway, and then you want to take the sides and place them over it, and then continue to roll. Once you're almost to the end, you want to take some of the egg wash and place it at the tip. This is to apply a sealing so that the lumpia wrapper is closed and does not open. And repeat the process. Alright, so next you want to take your oil and fill it up your pan to about ½ inch. And then you'll want to start heating up the oil. Be sure to set it to about medium or low heat so that it doesn't get too hot too fast. Remember to check and see if your oil is warm enough. Once it is, proceed to go ahead and take your tongs and grab the lumpia and begin placing it into the oil. Remember to cook each side for 3 minutes or until each side is golden. Once they're cooked, place them into a bowl with a paper towel so that the oil can be cleaned off. After the lumpia has been cleaned of oil, go ahead and place it onto the serving plate. It's alright if they don't look perfect. There is a certain level of skill and practice that goes into making lumpia, so it's expected that they won't look perfect the first time. After they've been put on the serving plate, go ahead and grab a separate bowl along with your sweet chili sauce. For that, you have lumpia.
Oh, yes!